Welcome back. If you've been trying to find all your Facebook stories on PC after the new update, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly where to go so you can view every story you've posted from your computer. First, open the Facebook app on your PC and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open up a menu with several account options. From there, choose Settings and Privacy. After that, go into Activity Log. This section keeps track of different actions and content connected to your Facebook account, so it's the place where your story history is stored. Inside Activity Log, select your Facebook activity. This is where Facebook organizes your personal activity in one place, making it easier to review past posts, interactions, and story-related content. Once you're in, look for Stories and click on it. After clicking Stories, enter your stories. This will take you to the full list of stories you've shared on Facebook. Here, you can go through them one by one and check everything you've posted before. It's a simple way to revisit your old stories without searching through your timeline. If you don't see the option right away, take your time and look carefully through the menu, because Facebook sometimes changes the layout after updates. But once you follow these steps, you should be able to find all your stories on Facebook app on PC. So again, the path is open Facebook app, click your profile photo, go to Settings and Privacy, open Activity Log, select your Facebook activity, then click Stories, and finally open your stories. That's it. Now you know how to find all your Facebook stories on PC with the new update.